This tutorial aims to show you some easy Google search techniques that will make your searches more effective without using the advanced search option. They'll be useful as you do research for school and personal use. First, some general advice. Unlike some databases, spelling and capitalization don't matter too much in Google. Typos and miskeyed words are usually forgiven in searching. Also, you can start general and work towards specificity. You can always add more terms as you work through the results. The Google search function will provide commonly searched terms as a prediction. These suggestions might help or get in the way. Use the tabs to define your search. Are you looking for maps or images or news or books? You can always select more for more options. You can use the Boolean operators and, or not to alter your search results. And will narrow your results, or will broaden your results, and not will exclude certain results. You can also limit your searches by omitting words using a hyphen or minus sign. If you are searching a more complex subject or an exact phrase like public libraries, use quotation marks to make your search more specific. Without the quotation marks, the search will include all results that have both public and libraries. Another trick is to use Google to search within specific sites. You can use cite plus colon to do this. For example, if you want to search for daily college library hours on ccc.edu, you can type daily library hours, cite ccc.edu, and your results will be only those from ccc.edu. You can search for specific file types like PDFs, Excel files, PowerPoints, and so on. For example, type your search term plus file type :PDF for a list of resources in the PDF format. Try with XLS for Excel and PPT for PowerPoint. You can also search social media by adding the @ sign, or for hashtags by adding the hashtag symbol. You can limit your searches by date too. Search your keywords, then select Tools. From there you can select anytime, past hour, past 24 hours, etc. Or select a custom range. This is especially useful for news and press items. Some of the news archives date back to the 18th century. It's easy to take control within Google's basic search. You can narrow or widen your search, focus on specific content like images or videos, focus your search on specific time spans and date ranges, or search in specific sites for specific file formats. You can make Google more useful by making it more manageable, all without doing an advanced search or learning any complicated search logic.